So today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect the AirPods 4 with any smart TV. Now this is very simple. The first thing you need to do is go to your TV's Bluetooth settings. Now different TVs have different ways of going to the Bluetooth settings. For this particular Samsung, I'll just go to settings, all settings, and then go to connection, and then I'll go to Bluetooth devices. Now for your specific TV, it might be slightly different. Just make sure you get to the Bluetooth settings of your smart TV. Now, as your TV is scanning for devices to pair to, you want to put the AirPods 4s in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, just open the lid of the case, and then you should see this light here. So what you want to do is double tap just below the light. So double tap like that, you should see that white light blinking. That means the AirPods are in Bluetooth pairing mode, and you can see my TV has already discovered my AirPods 4. So what I need to do is just grab my remote, select those, and then select pair and connect, and wait. Now, as you can see, they're already paired and connected. The light has stopped blinking, and now these AirPods are the primary audio output device for my TV. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. You can leave any comments or questions you might have down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.